Good morning, Davenport students. So today is Thursday, April 9th. It is our last day before spring break. So our last day of activities for this week, we will have our rules to go over. So make sure you have some space to do the activity. You have your sneakers on and that they're tied up. And you have a parent or guardian with you to help you out with the activity. For our activity, jumping jacks, we will do our stretch and touch our toes, arm circles, trunk twist, balance on our right foot and on our left foot. For our Go Noodle activities, the Knock Dog Time Machine, Purple Stew, and Disco Green. Well, I hope you've been enjoying the activities, and thank you for your great comments. And I hope that you enjoy your spring break. And I'll see you boys and girls when we get back.